Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize lead forms in JotForm for rental inquiries, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your JotForm account. From your dashboard, click on the Create Form button. Select the Start from Scratch option. Choose the classic form layout. Once the form editor opens, drag and drop the short text field onto the form. Label this field as name. Next, add another short text field for the email. You will also need a phone number field. Make sure to label it as phone. Drag and drop a long text field for any additional inquiries. Label this field as Inquiry Details. Now, search for the Submit button in the form elements. Drag it to your form to allow submissions. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. In the left sidebar, go to Email to set up email notifications. Click on Add an email. Choose Notification Email. Fill in the required fields to set up how you want to be notified. Next, return to the Settings tab. In the left sidebar, click on Publish. Here, you can customize the form link if needed. Now, click on Settings again. Select Form Settings from the sidebar. Scroll down to find Authorization Settings. Enable Require Authorization. This ensures that users must accept your terms before submitting. Next, provide a clear description of the authorization terms. Click on Save in the bottom right corner of the settings. Your lead form is now set up and authorized for rental inquiries. To test it, click on the Preview button at the top. Fill out the form to ensure everything works correctly. Make adjustments if necessary. When satisfied, return to the form editor. Finally, share your form link with potential tenants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.